Hi, this is Kirk with Forex Strategy Secrets. In this video, we want to share with you a Forex Simple Strategy. And this is just part one. So what we're going to do is show you how to set it up, what to look for. In part two, we'll show you how to internalize the strategy quickly. So stay tuned. At the end of this video, we're going to share with you a link that you can sign up to have an email sent to you with the strategy in it to give you the indicators and how to trade this strategy. So first of all, it's obvious that there is a big downtrend here. Now these two vertical lines, this is the area that we're going to be looking at trading. Yes, there are many other areas we could have chosen to trade. We just want to share with you, once you see a definite downtrend of, especially on a day chart, then just trade in that direction using this simple strategy. Now these two vertical lines sharing with us the momentum of the move, and we know that the overall trend was short, and so we're just looking for short signals. Where this indicator crossed the zero line, then once again it crossed below once again after it had done a retracement. You can obviously see that this was a great big gigantic move. This one we didn't know how big it was going to be, but we'll show you how to trade that using three time frames: the day, the 4 hour, and the 1 hour. So let's go to the 4 hour. Now with the 4 hour, we want to confirm the same direction as the day, and we know that we're going short because that's the overall trend. Right here, the 4 hour did not give us the proper signal, but the second 4 hour period did. So that's where we would start trading or looking for trades on the 1 hour. That's the 4 hour, and the day now are confirmed going short. The next hour, it took one more hour after the 4 hour setup before the 1 hour was ready to go. Put a trade on right here, for example, and the exit is going to be when those two moving averages, we call them hot lines, when they cross, that's the time to get out of the trade and exit, or start looking for an exit. You can see right here for the last few hours of the trading week, it was going sideways, so that would be a heads up. So if it's towards the end of the trading week, you may just want it to be exit there. Good safe trade in the direction on that 1 hour chart. Now we know that the 4 hour is still going short, but the 1 hour came back up, so we're waiting for the 1 hour to come back down again, which we see that it happened over here. We're going to mark this 1 hour, and we're going to go back to the 4 hour to confirm that's the direction that it was going. Okay, it wasn't ready right there at the time the 1 hour was ready, but the 4 hour became ready a little bit later, a couple of time frames later, when the 4 hour became ready. Now let's go back to the 1 hour. Is that still a good trade? Yes. Was it heads up? Yes. Could you have taken it? You could have, but this, you're not verifying and confirming that that's the direction it's going. So if, based on this 1 hour chart, had you entered here and based on the exit, you would have only received about 44 pips. So the first one was about 44, this is another 44 pips. But here's another way of managing some of these trades. Go to the one higher time frame than what you entered on. Found the direction on the day, we confirmed that direction on the 4 hour, we entered on the 1 hour when all three were lining up. Let's go back to the 4 hour now and manage that trade. So I'm going to put a line right here as to where we were entered based on this 1 hour chart. That's where the 4 hour and the 1 hour both confirmed. Go back to the 4 hour. Now, that's what we're looking for, is where this blue line is drawing. That's someplace in that area. You can see that the hot lines started turning. And so someplace in those 3 or 4 time frames, start looking for an exit signal. And so let's say we exited right there at that spot. That would have given us, instead of the 44 pips, give us about 130 pips going on that move. So by sometimes managing on the larger time frame, it may seem slow and it seems like it's going against you, like it started doing here, but these lines didn't cross there, just the price went up a little bit, and that's how that trade would have gone there. So that's basically the strategy. If you like this video, just subscribe, and then other educational tools that we bring out, you'll be able to automatically have them brought to your attention. Stay tuned for part 2 of the series, and we'll show you how to internalize this and how to spot it when it's on the fly, not seen after the fact, but how to spot it as it's moving along and actually as the trade is developing.